What's inside my body? Hi, Zara. Want a tour inside your body? Wait, what? Welcome to the heart. Whoa, it's moving. That's your heart pumping blood. Woohoo! This is incredible! Millions of cells work together. They're like tiny workers. Exactly. A big team. Wow, look at the lights. Isn't it incredible, Zara? It's generating thought. Lungs help you breathe. It's like balloons. They fill with oxygen every breath. Ew, it's bubbling. It's breaking food into energy.
And just like that, the journey ends.
I have to go now. So soon? I'll be back, I promise. Goodbye, friend.
Thank you for watching. Bye-bye, space.